Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete posts on Facebook. You can remove posts that you have made on Facebook using the mobile app. You can remove on something you've posted, but you cannot delete comments still left on posts you didn't create. The process for deleting posts is nearly identical for Android and iPhone. First, find the post that you want to delete. You can only delete posts that you have made. This process is the same for iPhone and Android. You can quickly access your profile and find your posts by tapping the More button and then tapping your profile. Second, tap a photo you want to delete. Now, tap the three dots at the top and then tap Delete. Confirm that you want to remove the post permanently from Facebook. The post and any associated comments will be deleted immediately. If you want to delete multiple posts or that you've made, you can use your activity log. This is the quickest way to scan through the posts and comments that you've made without having to hunt them down. You'll only be able to see posts and comment that you've made, not comments that others have made on your posts. You can only delete posts that you have made. If the deleted option doesn't appear, then you are trying to delete someone else's post, which is not possible. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.